Freecash Leaderboard rankings depend on eligible activity being recorded on your account. So a leaderboard that looks stuck can be caused by delayed activity, an offer that hasn't credited yet, or the leaderboard simply not refreshing. By the end, you'll know exactly what to check when your Freecash Leaderboard isn't updating, without risking your account or repeating offers unnecessarily. Start by checking your Freecash balance and transaction history. If you completed an offer but the reward hasn't appeared in your account, the leaderboard may not have anything new to calculate yet. Open the offer you completed and check its status. A completed action isn't always the same thing as a credited reward. If the reward is still pending, wait for the transaction to be processed before assuming the leaderboard itself is broken. Next, refresh the Freecash app or website. Close and reopen the app, then return to the leaderboard. On a browser, refresh the page, and make sure you're signed into the correct Freecash account. If the leaderboard still shows the same position, check whether your recent activity actually qualifies for that leaderboard. Freecash can have different competitions, periods, and eligibility rules, so completing an activity doesn't automatically mean it contributes to every leaderboard. Don't start another offer just because the ranking hasn't moved. First, confirm that the original activity has credited. Starting multiple offers can make troubleshooting harder, especially when each offer has separate tracking requirements. You should also check whether the leaderboard has a specific ending time or competition period. A ranking may remain unchanged when there is no new qualifying activity being recorded for that particular competition. If your reward has already been credited but the leaderboard remains incorrect, take screenshots of your transaction history, current balance, and leaderboard position. These details give Freecash support something specific to investigate. When contacting support, explain which leaderboard you're using, what activity you completed, when the reward appeared in your account, and what position the leaderboard currently shows. Avoid sending repeated tickets for the same problem unless support asks you to provide a new request. Another useful check is your account activity. Make sure you're using the same Freecash account where the offer was completed. Switching accounts can make recent activity appear missing. So the main fix is to verify the reward first. Refresh Freecash. Confirm the activity qualifies for that leaderboard, and contact support if the reward is credited, but the ranking still doesn't update. Your next step is to open your transaction history and confirm whether the activity you expect to see on the leaderboard has actually been credited. If this helped fix your Freecash leaderboard problem, like the video and subscribe for more Freecash troubleshooting guides and reward updates.